Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a text. The first thing you will need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, I want you to scroll down, and from here, I want you to select accessibility. After selecting accessibility, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap right where you see audio/visual. After doing that, you're going to scroll down until you see visual. You're going to tap on LED flash for alerts. You're going to tap on that and you're going to toggle it on. Now that you have toggled it on, you can choose whether you like it to flash while unlocked or flash in silent mode. You can select either one of these options or you can select both options. And now whenever you receive a call or a text, your phone will flash to notify you. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.